What do waste streams like landfill leachate, food processing, and E&P wastewater have in common? They can all be recycled into usable products using a filtration process called forward osmosis. Forward osmosis is a highly efficient natural process that successfully separates water from contaminants. On the left, water with pathogens, toxins, heavy metals, suspended and dissolved solids, and other contaminants flows into the chamber. In the center, an HTI polymeric membrane separates the dirty water from a saline solution on the right. The water molecules on the left, as in nature, are drawn through the proprietary membrane to the other side by osmotic pressure, or more simply, the water is trying to dilute the saline solution. We call this our osmotic drive. The microscopic characteristics of the membrane allow the smaller water molecules to pass through, but blocks virtually all other impurities and solids. During the filtration process, the strength of the natural osmotic potential pulls the water molecules through the membrane, diluting the draw solution and eliminating the need to force the process with traditional high-pressure pumping applications. The diluted saline solution becomes an expanding, valuable, and useful source of clean water. The Bear Creek team utilizes forward osmosis as an efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally beneficial solution to a wide range of water management issues. Bear Creek's core services include engineering, well site supervision, water logistics, water disposal, and consulting services to the gas and oil industry. With operations focused heavily on the abundant supply of domestic natural gas, the need for innovative water management solutions is clear. The process of well stimulation and completion requires millions of gallons of high-quality water per well. Bear Creek, in partnership with Hydration Technology Innovations, has created a modular and scalable wastewater reclamation system to revolutionize water management in oil and gas exploration. The combined know-how of Bear Creek and the proprietary forward osmosis technology of HTI has led to the creation of a mobile unit that recycles water, reduces carbon emissions, and uses alternative energy. It's called the GreenMachine. The GreenMachine converts variable streams of dirty water into consistent clean water that adds value to the well completion process.
Whenever we process the water through GreenMachine, we make a consistent product water on the machine pretty much regardless of whatever we put on the dirty side. So if we can run very heterogeneous or variable consistency waste on the dirty side, we see water that's, just got a little bit of color to it and it's got a lot of calcium and magnesium and things that you don't want in there, to water that's just darn near sludge and it's full of solids and oil and grease. And what happens by going through our forward osmosis elements, that water always comes out as a consistent product. It's going to come out as a clean salt solution of known composition. And that means when you deliver that product to your service company who's going to pump your frac, they know what they're going to get.
The GreenMachine itself is the only process that I'm aware of that economically creates a nanopure water, which is taking all of the suspended solids, all of the impurities and heavy metals out of the water, and creating absolutely perfect water to frack a well with.
Frack water is usually taken from surface waters, wells, or municipal water supplies, and in all cases requires transportation and storage. One of the most readily available sources of water is drilling wastewater produced during the well drilling process. The GreenMachine reclaims and recycles this water. Here's how. A low horsepower pump draws the drilling wastewater to the GreenMachine. Another smaller pump supplies a saline brine. Inside, 280 cylinder-shaped HTI membrane elements in modular protective vessels are submerged in the dirty wastewater contained in the GreenMachine. The form of the spiral-rolled membrane element reduces physical space requirements, but maintains a large membrane surface area. Combined, each GreenMachine carries over 4,000 square meters of powerful forward osmosis membrane material. Each of the element page-like structures functions like a sealed envelope made up of 2 HTI membranes on either side of a simple saline concentrate in the center. The dirty water containing pathogens, toxins, heavy metals, suspended and dissolved solids, and other contaminants flows around the outside of a membrane envelope. The inside of the envelope is fed with a clean saline concentrate to provide the draw solution for the forward osmosis process. Clean water molecules attracted to the central saline brine begin leaving the dirty water, passing through the membranes to the interior clean water. As the saline brine volume increases, a natural flow of this clean produced water begins to flow from the GreenMachine. Using this efficient natural process, the GreenMachine can produce 160 gallons per minute of clean usable water with just 2 small circulation pumps. The rest of the work mimics nature. The clean recycled water is transferred to frac storage tanks from which the operator draws the diluted brine for further blending and use in the well stimulation process. The dirty water continues to recirculate from the source through the GreenMachine until the desired amount of clean water has been removed, leaving minimal volume for conventional disposal. Each mobile 53-foot-long GreenMachine can produce 200,000 gallons of clean water per day, and for larger projects, multiple machines can be orchestrated into a single operation. Other advantages for using the GreenMachine for the industry and the environment are extensive.
With GreenMachine, we can recycle about 80% of that waste into something that's a reusable product. So that would, for that particular waste stream, it could be an 80% savings in their water management. That 80% saved can be as much as 20% of their frac needs on a shale well.
By dewatering the drilling waste, the volume of disposable material is significantly reduced, minimizing negative impact on the environment. One of the most important benefits of recycling water through the GreenMachine is the dramatic reduction in trucking of fresh water and wastewater. Bear Creek estimates that for an average well site, the operator may eliminate up to 150 heavy tanker truck trips. Reducing the need for trucking not only reduces the overall carbon footprint of the industry, but also reduces the irritation of congestion and truck traffic with local communities and property owners.
The oil and gas industry is driving toward green solutions, and they are receptive to being more green. We see the industry proactively, before regulations force them to be, we see the industry proactively driving toward green alternatives. And we see companies getting opportunities to present their technologies to oil and gas operators that fall into the green space. And of course, something like what we do with GreenMachine, where we are both carbon saving and water saving, that's a very nice combination. Using alternative energy, eliminating a bunch of trucks from the road, saving a significant portion of water. Those are solutions that the industry is embracing.
What is the future of the GreenMachine?
What's in store for the GreenMachine in the future will be expanding into all of the major domestic shale markets, international expansions into areas where E&P activities are abundant, and we also hope to be offshore with this technology. We believe that it has application in all of the major oil and gas markets. As we have opportunities to push the offshore applications, the international applications, and the other wastewater streams that FO has an application to, we will continue to grow and adapt GreenMachine to meet those needs. We anticipate being on the front of the wave of the green conversion of the oil and gas industry.
The forward osmosis GreenMachine is here, and it works.